how to check watch history on X. Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to do so on X, which is formerly Twitter as well. So let's just get started. So let's open up X for that. So X does not have a direct watch history feature like YouTube, but we can still use these tricks in order to view it. So one of the methods we can do is we can check out likes. So open up X and look out for a profile in the top left. And from there, go to the option called likes. If that option is available, just go and tap on it and look out for the option called likes or list in something similar, and you'll be able to see the videos that you've liked, and those are probably some of the history that you have. Apart from that, you can also look out for your bookmarks. So within the menu itself, in the top left, by tapping on your profile, you should be finding an option called bookmarks that we can tap on. When we tap on it, we can easily view up our bookmarks that the saved videos will be available in this section right here. We can just go and view it. Apart from that, we can search for the watched videos. So tap on the search icon, and once we tap on it, we can type in the keywords related to the video. So in the top, just go over and type in the keywords related to the video and check results, and you can just go over and view it up. It will work if you remember something about the video. Also, you can download up your data. So go to your profile in the top left and select settings and support. From there, select settings and privacy and look out for the option called download your archive of your data. So go to the option called your account, and there's a look out for the option called download and archive of your data, and there you can request the data download. So go ahead and look out for data download. Your active video including viewed content may be included, so go ahead and view this section right here and you can download the archive of your data. So X does not track watch history publicly, only interactive videos liked. Bookmarks are easy to find. So that is it. That's how we check and watch history on X, even there is no official feature yet. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.